Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as we all know that the chart of Euro USD is not very much convincing. We can see a perfect example of a choppy market on the charts. Overall, the trend is very much towards the downside. Market is extremely bearish, no need to mention that. But right now, if you look at the present trend of the market here, then you'll not get a very clean picture. Market is choppy, market is sideways. And if you're looking for overall picture, detailed analysis of Euro USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you. Okay, so let's look at the important levels and trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD right now. So first of all, Euro USD is standing at 1.0020. This is the current market price. So yesterday I mentioned a level 1.0070, 1.0075. Okay, market could not touch it. Before that only we could see some sort of reversal. Overall, we do not see much volatility in the market right now. Market is kind of flat. Probably market is waiting for the FOMC. So probably till FOMC, market will remain dull. Market may remain sluggish. Okay, so right now, before hitting the level of 1.0070, okay, market reversed. This is the current market price, 1.0020. So if you already have any ongoing position on the chart of Euro USD on this pair, then you can continue with the position. But if you're looking for a buy position, then I must tell you that this is not the right time to buy. This is not the right time to buy, because in case if the next candle is green, then also you should be very careful before considering any buy position, because the market is choppy. Overall, the trend is very much towards the downside, and if market breaks also, okay, then the immediate resistance is at 1.0070. Why this resistance? Because of the 200 moving average, which is also acting as the dynamic resistance. Secondly, we also have another resistance at a 1.0100. You can see the red box here. Why the red box? Because this is the Fibonacci retracement level plus market has taken support previously. So Fibonacci plus previous support right now acting as resistance. So if we combine both the factors here, then yes, 1.0100 will also be acting as a support. So right now, if you see a green candle also, okay, you can just look for 10 to 20 pips max, and that can be a very risky. So it's better to avoid any buy position on the market right now, as long as market is trading in this position. And if market goes up and reverses from the resistance level like the 1.0070, 1.0100, if you see market showing price rejection from above, market forming a shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing pattern, you can definitely go for a sell position at the resistance. And if you already have a sell position on the market right now, then please continue with the trade, because right now it seems that market will give you few more pips. Okay, and those who are looking for buy position, then you can wait for the market to come down to this support zone here, the green box. If you're wondering what is the level here, then the level is 0.9950 to 0.9930. This is the support zone for the market right now. Yesterday I mentioned only 0.9930, but yes, in case of a low volatility in the market, then you can also see a bounce from 0.995051 as well. Okay, keep in mind 0.9950, 0.995152 will only act as support in case of low volatile situation, low volatility in the market. If the volatility is good enough, if you see a good amount of selling in the market, then 0.9950 may not be able to provide support, and in that case 0.9930 will be your support. And during the US session, if we see a heavy selling in the market, okay, good amount of crazy selling in the market, in that case you can consider a sell position below 0.9930 as well. Yesterday also I mentioned it, because if market breaks it, then you can see that we do not have any proper support. Okay, you can easily expect a profit of 30 pips. Okay, if market breaks this particular support here, 0.9930. see, this is the overall scenario, and these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. So if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Please follow proper risk management, do the position calculation, okay, according to a capital size, and please never gamble with your hard-earned money. This is your capital, this is your hard-earned money. Please protect it. Bye bye, take care.